Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 17th, 2025, at 23:13 and 5 seconds Universal Time Coordinated, we're diving deep into the NZDUSD, analyzing both the latest news and the chart data to understand where this pair might be headed. We'll look at how recent events are impacting the price action and identify key levels to watch for potential trading opportunities. First, let's catch up on the latest news. According to FX Street, NZDUSD broke its winning streak on April 9th, falling to around 0.5920. This slip came as the US dollar gained traction, supported by stronger-than-expected consumer spending data. This highlights the importance of US economic indicators on this pair. Also, the Central Charts website has some technical analyses, suggesting a mix of opinions with some pointing to long positions due to the bullish trends, while others indicating a potential bearish shift. Additionally, Investing.com noted that the Kiwi dollar is at year-to-date highs and fresh after breaking major resistance. Now, let's move on to the charts. On the daily chart, we can see that the NZDUSD has experienced significant volatility over the past few months. We've seen a general upward trend from around 0.56 in January 2025 to its recent highs, but also some sharp pullbacks, especially in early April. Looking more recently, after the early April dip, we've seen a recovery, though the overall trend seems to have flattened. This suggests we may be entering a consolidation phase. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart. We can see the price has been fluctuating around the 0.588 to 0.594 levels today. The intraday action has been choppy, indicating some indecision in the market. Now let's take a close look at the 15-minute chart, focusing on the most recent price action. We can see the price is attempting to consolidate after the last few days of bullish price movement. The pair is currently trading around 0.5933 at April 16th, 2025, 23:57 Universal Time Coordinated. Key price levels to watch include the recent high around 0.5945, which could act as a resistance level, also a recent low of 0.5842. Given the recent news and the current chart patterns, it's difficult to say with certainty where the NZDUSD is headed. However, the stronger-than-expected consumer spending data from the US could put downward pressure on the pair in the short term. If the price breaks below 0.5842, we might see a further move to the downside. A break above 0.5945, on the other hand, could signal a continuation of the longer-term uptrend. Overall, continue to monitor news from both the RBNZ and the Federal Reserve. Also keep an eye on broader risk sentiment, which is relevant from the Investing.com source news and analysis, particularly as it relates to trade and tariffs. Pay close attention to consumer spending and inflation data from both New Zealand and the United States.